Insane. It looks like it wants to fall. My neck. My back. Three shorts? Oh shit, my thing's on up. That was crazy. You guys don't think that's crazy? That we literally pumped on a false report. I mean, we dumped on a false report. I thought that was bananas. Literally, there was gunfire at a parade.
Daddy? Is that you?
Yeah, it's crazy. Imagine like something really happens. We're dumping 10K. This was false information.
Is that
160, 27. Was that 600 points? On fake gunfire. No fucking nothing. Thanks for the follow. I don't know how to say your name, so I'm not gonna do it.
Daddy, chill.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? XX.
Daddy, chill.
So when I left, I think I was only up like $300. I took one fucking trade. Actually, sorry, 2 trades here. I added into the short, and then I caught the bottom right here. I went in a little heavy on this bottoms. That was just before I got on. I just looked at it. I'm like, let me see if it's worth getting on right now. You would think so, Tom. Time to give it back? Wow. You were very, very polite. Nah, I'm done with this fucking shit. I'm going to go small. I'm gonna go small. I like this song too. I was gonna go big, but I went small with 1 micro. Yeah, right here is where I went in pretty hard.
NYMEX WTI crude
$43, $750.
$95.85 a barrel, up $2.89 or free spot 11%. NYMEX
Oh, let me
gasoline
make
May
sure I'm on the right
futures
one.
settle at around $3.46 a gallon.
Then my
NYMEX
copy
diesel
trader
May
didn't work
futures settle
exactly.
at around $3.98 a gallon.
All right, we are.
And NYMEX natural gas May futures settle at around $2.61.
An all-nighter. You gangster, bro. That's pretty good money, Nico. 400 off 1 micro. We finally broke to the upside here. think it keeps going? Honestly, like, I don't even want to fuck. I'm gonna do one micro. Like, that's how I feel right now. Let's see if it goes. Bounce off the fair value gap. Honestly, like, I'm gonna do one micro and scalp it. Probably the VWAP, I would assume, is next. Two minis. Damn. Yeah, I'm tired of losing, so I don't want to give it back. What I do is I make a lot of money, and I've been giving it back for the past, like, 2 weeks. Spinning my fucking wheels, bruh. I don't know why this is so big. What she said. If we go back and look at this entire thing here, since it was a fake false move, we can easily get up to 2750s right back. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Honestly, 27,100 isn't crazy either. Hey, can you guys just tap my screen 10 times each, 10 times each? Keep me out of TikTok jail. Tick 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 tick. I saw it daily. I know I'm good now to 1,000. Tick 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 tick. Ethan, you're probably up a lot of money, dude, if you're in 2 minis. I'm in 1. Like, how sad is that? $3K? Nice. I wanted like a club mix, not a fucking. There you go. There you go. 20. What the fuck, Ethan? Imagine it goes up there. Why would you go to 20? Oh, 86. It's another 1,000 points. I got lucky a little bit daily. I caught the bottom. What's up, user? You gotta change your name so I could call you something. Oh, 2786. Big difference, bro. So you're going for the highs. It can easily go up to 100. I'm probably going to trail it and see. The loser fund. I love you. Summertime, summertime, summertime. I don't like this market right now. X6, I don't blame you, dude. It did hit Ashley Daily, you're right. I literally got lucky. I just got done. I picked up my phone. I saw it. I was like, oh, wow, this thing is dropping. What PC do you have? You got a nice setup, I'm guessing. I mean, I have 4 screens now. Sometimes I put on 5. But they're all 27 inches, what she said. And then you need a good processor, and I got the Ryzen 9. I just spent $450 on that damn thing. It would be Alpha Daddy. I'm Alpha Daddy. Dude, that whole thing just fucking retraced. Let's see if we can get another entry. No lube, right, Ethan? Yeah, it's hard, dude. It's hard to hold. If we, like, went in smaller, it would be much easier. This is Nasdaq futures. Oh, hell no. You guys don't even know that almost summoned something crazy. Keisha, we were just joking. We were just joking, Keisha. I'm going to gamble one more into this. I'm saying gamble because I didn't wait till my next entry. Yeah, I wish I was up a little bit more. All right, here we go. This would target 64s would target another long. And I'll just take out 2. You were about to see now. We're on a sea bear. It does feel a little bullish. For you guys just tuning in, you guys know what this drop was, right? Do you guys know what this drop was from? You guys are going to laugh if I didn't say it already and you guys heard me before. It was fucking fake news. Yeah, they heard gunfire and they thought it was something outrageous. It was from a parade. It was from a parade in Iran. Fucking crazy. Dude, imagine if they, like, a real war breaks out. I don't even know if that was, like, I don't know what. That came from Iran.
Daddy?
That came from
Daddy,
everybody.
is that
That
you?
came from
Is that
everybody.
you?
Yeah, that was what, 25 minutes ago? This huge drop? What was that? Like fucking 500-600 points off of fake news. Imagine if we get a wow, this is dropping, guys. Be careful. Fuck me, bro. I can't get a break. From Aki? Nah, I never got into CDs as an indicator. Yo.
Ethan, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Bro, what the fuck, dude? Alright, we got one last spot here. I need to start getting out of these when they close. That's why it's such a pain in the ass to trade. Look at this thing. Holy shit.
People familiar describe Trump's plans on Jones Act waiver, saying Trump is set to extend US ship waiver to ease oil and gas deliveries. The waiver extension may come as soon as Friday.
What was the song you wanted me to play? Lucifer? No. I was born like this. I'm a bully bear. I mean, this is the 69 and 78% pullback. But this is insane. Oh, I gotta delete this. That other one.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
Oh, it's me.
Chris Trades, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Rip up! Do something with your life. I mean, technically, we do need it to hit 922s and then rip. Say 50? Damn. Bro, it's really fucking hard to trade, too, right now. What's up, Chris? Bro, there's so many fucking scammers. Look at USO earlier today when that news dropped. USO. What's USO? Like a defense stock? Chris Trades. If you say anything scammy, you're going in the fucking dungeon. W2I and USA. Okay. I used to look at that stuff too, but recently I feel like it's been not as great. Not you, Chris. Not you, Chris Scales, you, the Chris Trades guy. What sessions do I trade? Mostly New York in the morning, and then we'll try to get like the last 2 hours. So like 9 to like 11:30. It all depends on my schedule, but oh, you did put that, huh? What did Russell do? Fucking dumb too, huh? It's a mess. Dude, New York is not easy either, man. It's been a fucking headache, dude. New York's been a headache too, man. Look, I can't even fucking get a continuation. And then it just pulls back. Nothing holds. Very, very hard to trade. I've been trying to just do like scalpings, but scalping's not either. It doesn't make sense. That's the problem. Doesn't make sense. This thing is dumping again, bro.
Brent crude futures settle at $105.07 a barrel, up $3.
So I just closed. We're down $200 already. Fucking insane. I'm just gonna close. I don't know what else to do. Make sure both counts close. I don't want to, but like it's torture.
So a reminder at the top of the hour, Trump is to attend the healthcare event. We do have the video linked within the economic calendar. We'll put it on the feed for those interested.
Exactly. And then like it's frustrating because then you see the A plus setup and you don't trust it. You don't trust it, and then it fucking works in your favor. We're at the 0.5 extension now. I'm just gonna wait for another opportunity. I'm gonna go to 30-second and we're gonna scalp.
We do have the live video posted on the feed. For those
Healthcare
interested.
Affordability Act. Trump is gonna be doing it now. 30 seconds, 30 seconds. I'm along. Oh, damn. Did that not fucking fill? These are gonna be quick movements, guys. Nothing's holding correctly. Cowboy says, I missed you. Is Jasmine about? Jasmine, are you here? She's not answering. Be careful, because... Alright, Sea Bear. You're still in? Shit, Ethan. That's a large drop to hold, brother. I should have got all out right there. I'm gonna close it. I caught the bottom for the long. The news was fake, by the way. The news was fake. For some random gunfire at a parade in Iran steamrolled and spiraled out of control, and people thought there was the ceasefire was broken. Boy, was that wrong. Jasmine's here! Cowboy! Cowboy's been asking for you, Jasmine. Yeah, fake news, baby. Fake news. She came back to us, Cowboy. Cowboy said, if you love them, let them go. If they come back, it's yours to keep. While you were gone, I managed to lost one top set 50K and two Lucid Flex 50Ks. Oof. Sorry to hear that, brother. Dude, it's rough out there. It's rough. It is really rough. Cowboy says, I think she was lurking around like one of them bad bees. Oh, damn. Jasmine said, LOL, I can't let go. I'm
Sure,
better
having
than
fun
Kate
this time.
Winslet in
Expecting
the
comments from
Titanic.
Trump participating in a healthcare affordability event. We do have the video on the feed for those interested.
Trump's talking about healthcare, guys. In reality, right? If this dumps in 2 weeks, not even, dude, if we dump to like 16K and you guys got extra cash, buy the whole entire thing. Because you know it's going to rip up. And guess who loves V-shaped recoveries? Mr. Trump. And then everybody will forget about what happened. He has ruined it by talking too much. Other than that, there's something else going on. I don't think we know the full story. I'm not going to ask her that, Cowboy. What's up, Walter? I think he's the right man for the economics fix, like money-wise, but you know, he needs to shut up. The orange man actually didn't say anything. It was Iran. There was some fake news. There was gunfire at a parade, and all people lost their shit, bro. They went bananas. All right, 2 minutes till 3. You're out? Yeah, that was a rough drop, dude. Dude, we are fucking pummeling, man. For no reason, too. So, I feel like last week was news. This week is just random. Now, this here is either going to hold or we drop back down to fucking 732s. Which one is it? We either hold here or we drop down to 732s. Oh, there you go. Honestly, I know it's chasing, but I'm going to short just a little bit. Only one contract. We're going to see what happens. Just be careful. Again, kind of a gamble.
Money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on
Ooh,
my face.
DJ Cactus. Thank you, Z5. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Ryu Sensei. Ryu Sensei.
A little bit of a gamble, but we passed this entire area here. Completely closed. And I'm gonna say that out loud when I'm taking like a risk trade to try to prevent you guys from fucking just randomly following me.
Iran's Fars, citing its reporters, says air defenses activated earlier after detecting small drones at several locations across Iran.
Maybe it's more than what we think. You think banks are having a good time right now? Hedge funds? Rich people?
Seeing here from Axios, Iran deploys more mines in the Strait of Hormuz, according to sources. So furthermore into this article, Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guards Navy laid more mines in the Strait of Hormuz
Daddy,
this
is that
week,
you?
according to a US
Is that
official
you?
and a source with knowledge of the issue.
Yo, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daily says banks are demolishing everyone. It has to be, right? I wonder if those hedge funds are getting whacked, though. Let's see. So this is my thinking here. We passed the order block here, which is the bully block. That's my criteria. We closed below it. Next step is fucking downtown. I mean, we could probably get at least 800s. And then I'm thinking 745, 750s at least. Could be wrong, though, because you know how this market's been. Oh, you're going in long, Mallory? I've noticed that the continuation on the pullbacks... I was long. I closed it, though. It's just... And it could be wrong, again. It's okay, Cowboy. I just don't want to ask that. 866? You could be right. Honestly, my track record isn't great today. $26,820. 25s, yeah, for the 1-to-1 ratio, and probably... It just looks pretty heavy right now. X6. Yeah, and I would look. I'm literally trading 1 micro now. I'm tired of battling myself. Bro, Cowboy. Jasmine, if you only knew what Cowboy was saying. Oh my god. I love the bounces too. We caught this bounce up here, and then it just demolished down. But again, I could be wrong. We'll see how it reacts here at 880s. Trump is talking. I would trade very small for all you guys. It's Brittany, bitch. Justin! Fuck. Good call. I'm picking out tops and bottoms. I'm not gonna ask, Cowboy. I'm still leaning towards the shorts though. I need is a beauty and a beat. Jasmine, what does he want? He is asking some wild stuff that's inappropriate. Cowboy, we want to keep them around, not scare them away. Money rack. Yeah, 25K, dude, you gotta go like one micro. Look, I'm already down $100 on this fucking trade. We want to keep him, cowboy. It's all right. I'm gonna teach you, young man. Dude, this thing just like it's playing with my feelings here. Maybe the 5 minutes better. I'm gonna add one more. I need. It will come down. We'll see. It's been rocky. It's like maybe it's banks like trying to get better prices. I don't know. Really weird. Jasmine says I went to YouTube. I couldn't see the question, but I hope he's not.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Oh, Bigard. Welcome to Saudade.
Daddy, chill.
It's definitely in the area of interest. Again, it's been really weird. Cowboy, she wants to know why you're not on TikTok. I'll let him answer that. Coming down. It looks pretty rejecting. 5 minute, definitely a rejection. My only issue is that it finally broke above, and now it's kind of making a higher low, so we gotta watch that. We do have to watch.
So it's getting similar comments from Iran's Mujtaba Khomeini, just saying that the enemy's media operations aim to manipulate people's minds and psyche. The goal is to undermine national unity and security. So I'd say just more or less similar to what's already been said by the other three heads of the Iranian government.
It says Iran deploys more mines in the Strait of Hormuz. What the fuck's going on? Why wouldn't we dump on that? Doesn't make sense. Right? We should be crashing on that. If we're about to cease fire, then why? I mean, if we're cease firing, then why are they laying mines down?
And just a heads up, Trump is now live. The video, remember, is on the feed for you to watch.
Trump's
He's,
live.
He's participating in a healthcare affordability event.
We honestly should not have any issues with gas. That's all. I think it's all business shit doing that. And honestly, I don't want to go political, but this is a great fire for Democrats to use in their favor, right? You know they got connects. They're gonna raise the prices on purpose. But in reality, we shouldn't. They just did a count on oil distribution. We're actually ahead of what we were doing. So there should not be any how do you say it? Doubt, fear. It's really weird. Oh! We did this before too. Look at the stallment. Rips up. Stalling. Is it gonna rip up again? Damn, bro. I mean, this was the 50.78 pullback. This is hard as shit. I guess this is going to be the line in the sand here. Close above this, I'll have to close it. And then again, that'll be fucking what? $200 plus 200. So I'll get back almost $400 again, just fucking being online. Daddy is not doing good. What's up, Jenna? I'm on all three. I'm on Apex and Lucid. I'm sorry. I'm on Apex and Lucid. You in a long? Yeah, I'm in the opposite. I'm not reading the prices very good. This one I have one locked in profit, and then I have 2 Lucid open still right now. Dude, what the fuck, dude? I can't get a break. Maybe I need to go to a higher I'm thinking this might be the higher low. No, you're good. 50Ks. When I copy trade, I do 50Ks. As soon as I get out of this, it's gonna fucking dump. I did this like a couple minutes ago. I can usually trade the chop. I can't do it right now. I can't do it. Should we go to the 30-second chart? Yeah, on copy trading. Well, one's locked and I have two open. Said thank God for the spike up. Why? Were you stuck in it? In my opinion, this feels... What did you see at 920? Other than this trend line here. Support and resistance. Alright. Jasmine, Cowboy said, let's make it simple. Are you single, at least? It's an indicator I watch their channel signals. Gotcha. I mean, you got a few things here. It's wedged. What do you mean NIC? Like weed or? Oh, vape. Is it with weed? Maybe you're just high. Ooh. Cowboy Jasmine says, tell him I'm happily single and want to stay that way. With a sigh face? Is that what that is? In my opinion, this feels random. If this falls.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
DQ, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Oh, God. I'll say this one for you, Cowboy. Cowboy said she's a freak
Daddy?
then.
Daddy?
And then went,
Is that
nice.
You? Is that you?
Nice.
Ozzy, welcome to the show, Daddy. Bully Bear style.
Daddy, chill.
It's me, your father.
Daddy, chill.
You think it finally goes to the lows? Cowboy said they're the best ones. You know them hard to get one, bullies. I understand. I understand. Dude, I don't know what this wants. I'm all over the place on this. Honestly, this is like a gamble. 745s. I'm not reading the chart right. It could be a whole number. That's about it. 20 points over what it's been doing. I think they got the rando algorithm on. Real nice. Real nice. Trend lines have been pretty decent too lately. Just keeps fucking rejecting these areas. Cookie cloud. Maybe it's rejecting it. Avoiding the noise. Sometimes it's better for people. Sometimes I do good in the 5. I have to read it correctly. But like I would have been wrong on this 5-minute here. I would have been right here. Oh, that was yesterday. I was right there. Maybe a little bit right there. So it's like really just playing games with my strategy at least. And then the soul collectors with the flag also been kind of playing games. I mean, I don't see a high or low sticking. This one played out pretty well. Lower high and then it bounced, but it was really awkward movement because I actually got this long, but it was showing a short at the same time. Oof. Why are you going so heavy, Castanis? Yeah, I just been looking for several reversal and key levels, sessions high, lows is working today and yesterday. Yeah, I feel like front lines have been working. So if I extend this out, yeah, it broke below it, but it could ride up this fucking thing for a while and then dump. 2 minutes
US
too
money
high
market
right now,
fund
bro.
assets fall to $7.637 trillion at ICI.
You're in a buy, I'm in a short. Oh boy. You're gonna see it pump, watch. If not, I'm gonna go to the food bank tomorrow. Oh shit. Yeah, I don't think it knows what it wants to do. Let's see what this is. We're almost at the 61. We could hit that area of 930s and then fall. Or it could just fucking rip up. Again, I'm not reading this market that great. Yeah, it's in between, Mallory. I'm a 150 guy. A buck 50. 50. You have times where, you know, it'll rip through or sell off. Honestly, with this market, I don't fucking know. I am trading Nasdaq futures. Tell us coming back, Johnny says. We'll see. We got 20 minutes to MOC. I think Trump is still talking. In the 40s. And that would line up for my next bully block too. It sucks because when it moves, it's like hurry up, and then it stalls and it says wait. Definitely testing our patience.
So in regards to the ICI, total money market fund assets fell by $5.56 billion to $7.64 trillion for the week ended April 22nd.
I don't even know what that means. Come on, daddy. Breakout or fall, mother trucker.
Daddy, chill.
Just all the way down. You got like these little micro shits all over the place. One could argue it's that, and one could argue it's this. I think it's more like that, though. Yeah, who knows, bro? This could just be a slow grind. Let's go to the 1 hour. Wow, what a sell on that one. $9.44. You think it's gonna drop? Wait, what's it at now? I don't even know. It could be, dude. We have a couple areas of interest here. Here we go now. Slow grinded my death. I mean, what's considered a dip, though? Because this was 500 points. Bam. Long as we stay green. That was a dip. Now it's going back above 1 hour, 50 EMA. It could, Z5. It could. I'm literally have not done very well. Let's see. Definitely got to 27K. Like, it has room, but we can easily sell right off on this. I feel like it's either or. By TP, I don't know. I gotta judge it when it gets there. My TP, we're gonna have to judge the TP.
So to see an article here from the Wall Street Journal, it's about an hour old. Iran war complicates contingency plans to defend Taiwan, according to some U.S. officials.
Daily at this rate,
From the
yeah.
Wall Street Journal then says the U.S.
I did not add more.
many
No,
munitions in
I
Iran
should have.
that administration officials increasingly assessed that America couldn't fully execute contingency plans to defend Taiwan from a Chinese invasion if it occurred in the near term, according to U.S. officials. So the US has fired more than 1,000 long-range Tomahawk missiles since the war with Iran began February 28th, as well as 1,500 to 2,000 critical air defense missiles.
What are they saying? We can't provide protection? Castanis, you might have a chance still. It just, the grind up didn't feel right. It just didn't feel right. No protection to China. Jasmine, are you there? Cowboy wants you to tell you one last thing. Does look exhausted. Let's see. That was pretty big
So we have
news.
posted out the article on feed for you to read through.
Oh no. Iran war complicates contingency plans to defend Taiwan. So that's not good. What was our main focus? Like a year ago. Protection of Taiwan because of what? Their chips, right? China wants Taiwan for their chips. And now we saying that we can't protect them? Well, that's kind of crazy. Yeah, it's been rough. Astonis. Jasmine, if you're there, Cowboy says, if you and I were socks, we'd make a great pair. I don't think she's there. What, for TP, Johnny, or? I think so, Azzy. I mean, that news was pretty bearish. You know what? It would dump this 10,000 if China just said, oh, we're going to take Taiwan then. What, at 854s? If it breaks this low, we're going. Come on! I felt like that was pretty damn bearish news. Like, and something that really matters. Right? Like, I feel like that really mattered, that news. That's what was our main concern, like, a year ago. Like, major fucking news. W hold, though? Yeah, I'm not really proud of the holds, but I feel like I have to recently. I know that I'm correct, but it's pulling back way too much. What's scary is that this could be a long if it fucking breaks above. Come on! Guys, we're almost at 4,000 likes. Give me 30 likes, 30 likes, 30 likes. Did you, Tom? Alright, so that was a long. Fuck me. Let's see what Johnny got here. Dude, 777 would be crazy. But it makes sense. It really needs to break that, I think that says 840s for your chart, Johnny. Hi, Powers. $842? Yeah, I feel like it needs to swipe down. But I meant, like, when I say long, these could be short-lived. If it goes to, like, the 45, you know, whatever, it's good. The follow-throughs have not been great. The 5-minute, we are rejecting that cookie area. If we break this high or low at 841s, we should dump. Should dump. 15-minute, definitely fucking rejection off the cookie cloud. Cookie cloud rejection. It's actually pretty bearish. If you look at this pattern. Taps, down, taps, breaks below again. Now I believe it's a decision time to make a new low, or it's not. Yeah, I would be scared
Daddy?
too, Powers.
Daddy, is that you? Is that you?
10-minute
IBM says they're
MLC.
working together
Come
with
on,
Google
short
Cloud to
MLC.
accelerate enterprise AI and hybrid cloud modernization.
Cowboy said roses are red, lilies are white. Oh my god, I can't finish this sentence.
Umar, welcome to the show, Daddy.
We're gonna have to judge it, Dean. I mean, we can go down to 740s pretty easily. Oh, Jasmine is here. She's been listening. Well, he first said if you and I were socks,
Daddy,
we'd
is
make a
that
great
you?
pair.
Is that you?
All right, I'll say what he said, okay? Roses are red, lilies are white. Having but blank is a cheeky delight. Oh, here we go. This is a nice break in the 1 minute. Let's go. Very good pattern here. Gotta break it, though. It's gotta hold and break. I think we all want to go down.
Calvin, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Cowboy says,
Daddy?
bully you the man,
Daddy,
homie.
Is that you? Is
I
that
got you.
you?
I got you. Mr. Valid. Bro, save me today, man. Save me. Today's been rough.
Hey, 95, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Tap that screen. Hit that follow button. I'm a bully bear. You see how we're grinding here? If it falls here, we cracking, baby. Come on. Crack it, daddy. Crack it. Crack.
Daddy,
I
chill.
love crack. I mean, TikTok. I love TikTok. Validity blew 2Ks and eval. Oof. So, I'm like, not that much in the hole. Jasmine says, tell him I'm from England. Long distance doesn't work out. You know that he's from Europe, right? Don't say that, Jasmine. He's from Europe. I think he's in the UK. There's a chance, cowboy. There's a chance. I mean, he said the cheeky. He said, oh, hell nah, Jasmine. Hello, pet. I'm going to pay some hacker to give me access to close the trades that you stress me with. UK is not a part of Europe, in my opinion. Wow.
EU
England
warns US
is the
trade deal
UK.
risks unraveling with proposed changes.
Bro, you guys confused me with that. Food that is bland can't be European.
Further detail into this, then the EU warned member states that efforts
I don't even
to
know what he
strengthen
just said,
safeguards
bro.
on the bloc's trade
Let's
agreement
see.
with the US may cause the deal to unravel.
He's a...
The Commission, the executive arm of the EU that handles
Daddy?
trade
Daddy,
matters,
is that
told the
you?
bloc's
Is
ambassadors
that
this
you?
week that some changes lawmakers proposed to the EU-US trade deal would sink the accord. EU lawmakers earlier blocked ratification of the deal, which was signed in July after US Supreme Court struck down Trump's use of emergency powers law to impose global tariffs, and after the American president threatened to annex Greenland.
Cowboy got really excited, Jasmine. I hope it tanks. I'm waiting. $60? I can handle 60 points, no problem. Let's go. I just don't... I want to close this green, even if it's $100. There's Andrew. Let's see Andrew's picture. He keeps changing. Jasmine, he said, Cowboy said he is from West London. Come see me. Come on! This is Nasdaq futures.
Trump says
M
all
and Q.
chip companies are coming back to the US. The US is leading China in AI.
Bro, we've heard this over and over again. Of course he did, Andrew. Jasmine said he's 3 hours away with a concerned look in her eyes.
According to Fars News, an Iranian bulk carrier ship carrying rice, despite the US Navy's attempt to seize it, was escorted by vessels of IRGC's Navy and safely passed through the Sea of Oman and reached Iran.
Pet, it depends. It depends, Pet.
Trump credits
Lucid's a
tariffs
lot
on rising
easier.
chip manufacturing in the US. Trump says chip companies are coming to the US from Taiwan.
No,
and South Korea.
Flex is so much better. Wow, that's pretty bullish to say. Trump will have close to 50% of the chip market soon. Sorry, I don't want to talk over this news. So Apex, it's cheap up front, right? But you can
Fleming says that we
stack.
expect $1 trillion in chip fabs.
You can stack 20 Apex accounts and get $40,000 in payouts. So the fact it's gone green multiple times, I'm melting. 2 minutes. Daily, you say up and then down. Cowboy says, tell her to
Says that we
get.
negotiated a great deal with Taiwan on chips.
Cowboy says, tell her to get a train to see me. I would love to do 20 Apex. I really need to dial down my emotions, though. What happens is, I'm just going to be blunt. I make too much money. So I get reckless. I get careless. I need to tone it down because, you know, I could really become something, you know, really rich. I know that sounds, I don't know how to say it.
1 minute ago now to begin the market and close imbalance data.
Cowboy. You're going to crush his dreams, Jasmine. Jasmine says, imagine a man telling a woman to hop on a train to see him. LOL, that's not for me. She's the princess. Yeah, but this is ripping up right now. There's a lot of different news on chips going on right now. Yeah, don't give it back, Johnny. Don't give it back.
$10 seconds.
Whoa! Do I close it? And then short it again?
Market and close imbalance. S&P 500 sell side 1.6 billion. Nasdaq 100 sell side 420 million. Dow 30 sell side.
Not even that
565
much.
million. Mag 7 sell side 588 million.
If this doesn't bleed down, I quit. I got in too many though. I gotta get out too.
Just a reminder, at the top of the hour, we get earnings from Intel
Dean,
for the Q1.
this is hard to tell you.
EPS estimate.
It is
of-
terrible.
EPS estimate of 1 cent.
Hey, you said
Revenue
pop
estimate
up
of
first, Daily.
$12.36 billion.
Oh, I guess it did pop up, right? I guess it did. You caught that whole move? Where'd I get out of this? Oh man, what a piece of shit I am. I only got like 50% of that move.
Tehran Times, they reported earlier that there were reports of air defenses in western Tehran that were activated, and now reporting again that air defense is active in Iran.
Ooh, let's see if Daly's right. So I got 2 left in, all right, guys? 2 left in. There's some wild statements being said right now, though, guys. I mean, Trump said this is pretty fucking bullish. He's saying he almost has 50% of the market for chips. That is crazy talk. Not crazy talk. If it's real, we are monsters. We're monsters in the game right now. So we basically going to be running oil and have the chips. I mean, on paper, that's crazy. Do I think other countries are going to allow this? Long run? No. I just hope it's not the bad way. Your mind went to potato chips, not tech. I'm in a short. I'm still in the short, but I am getting long signals again. They built that huge TSM here in Phoenix. Yeah, they're trying to catch up for sure. Taiwan was the leader, I believe. Oh, potato chips. No, like Like, oh my god, how the hell do I say this? Computer chips. Dude. Tehran Times, air defense are active in Tehran. I don't even care if I get back a little bit here. You're longing? I mean, I got a long signal. I have no idea if it's gonna go down, guys. I mean, they literally just took money out of the market, $500 million. Oh yeah, it could respect the trend line. You're right. Let's bring it out. That's gonna suck. Because this is really hard market to tell what it's doing, guys. I'm really just doing probabilities at this point. You're banking on the fall. Let's do this, Daly. I got faith in you, bro. I got faith in Daly. He's been calling these pretty well. He's been calling these pretty well. We are definitely up at least 61 to 70%, 78%. Let's look at it real quick. Fibonacci. This swing high. I gotta go lower. From this swing high to this swing low, we're at the 61%. Let's go. It's a good discount to short. Am I on a live account? I have a few funded. Right now, I'm on 1 funded and 2 evals. I had to change because the market's way too hard to trade right now. And when I mean funded, I mean through prop firms. I am group trading, yes. I use TradeSyncer. I did not get them. I can't take the name serious.
Q1 2026. EPS estimate of 1 cent. Revenue estimate of $12.36 billion. Also,
And then what?
At 5
Hold on.
past 4 p.m. East time, we get SAP earnings Q1 2026. EPS estimate of $1.64. Revenue estimate of $9.53 billion.
And also, Mallory, you said that you have to make that daily for the daily payout or whatever it is. They have to remake it after a payout. That's pretty harsh. If it shows more promising in the future, then maybe I'll look at it. Right now, I'm not interested in it. It's... Later, Cowboy. Cowboy said he's gonna go find your location. Nah, I'm just joking. He didn't say that. Oh, it's a $30 add-on. I got you. This could be this. I could have this drawn wrong. It looks like it's like this instead. Yeah, what? Just take your 700, Johnny. I don't get how they take money out of the market and it just rips up. You think news might be overruling? $60? No, I've lost a few trades today. I am not on my game. I'm usually fucking... Last 2 weeks has really put it in my butthole. Went from thousands of payouts to zip. I hope they go back to value pricing. This thing is ripping though. Cowboy, Cowboy agreed when I said yes. He's gonna go find where you are. Johnny, have a good night, brother. Isn't that crazy? 27K value is crazy, but if Trump is right on owning 50% of the market, then that's undervalued. I'm sure somebody will call him out on the stats though. Dude. I'm getting demolished here, Daily. Demolished.
Daddy? Daddy, is that you? Is that you?
I can't pronounce your name, but welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Cowboy needs to sound less like a starter to a documentary. He's only playing. He's a jokester. Well, I think he's a jokester. What am I trading on? I use Apex and Lucid. I get the Trade Evade version.
Estimates
Then I
that
link it to
are
Trade
expecting
Sinker.
Until Q1 2026 earnings.
Trade Sinker, and then I'll put it on my trading view. Yeah, sure. We gonna lose, right? We gonna lose. I might add into it if it starts rejecting, but it looked beautiful to the downside. Yeah, I was gonna say this might be a good DCA area. I'm gonna add one. 359, 5 seconds left. Sell the close. Yep. All right, there we go. There's my
10
short.
seconds.
I'm in 4. I think there's some earnings or something. The fuck is the date? Disappeared on me.
Still waiting on the earnings.
Yeah, Pet. I like them for stocks. I'm not a big fan of it on futures. The reason why I don't like it on futures is because the big banks literally will put fake orders in and then make it disappear. If you got to watch it really close. I've been in the sell, yeah. I added more to my short. Oh my god, there's your earnings. Maybe that's why, Daily. That's why, probably. Yep.
Adjusted EPS of 29 cents for the first Q. Adjusted EPS 29 cents, bid on the estimate of 1 cent. First quarter revenue $13.58 billion, a beat on the estimate of $12.36 billion.
Damn, Bastion, you said to short it.
12.3%, a beat on the estimate of 3.08%.
It looked beautiful.
Adjusted gross margin of 41%, a beat on the estimate of 34.5%. They see second quarter adjusted gross margin of 39%, a beat on the estimate of 36.5%. They see second quarter adjusted EPS of 20 cents, a beat on the estimate of about 8 cents or 8.6 cents. First quarter Intel Foundry revenue of $5.42 billion, beat on the estimate of $4.81 billion, and first quarter client compute revenue.
I won't matter. I'll make sure that I'm at least green.
Beat on the estimate of $7.1 billion. Data center and AI revenue $5.05 billion, a beat on the estimate of $4.41 billion. Also, Intel sees second quarter revenue $13.8 billion to $14.8 billion. Estimate a beat on the estimate of
I'm holding a little bit longer.
Trump, when asked how long he will wait for Iran, says, "Don't rush me." And Trump says, "We will take out Iran's wise guy ships if we see them. Maybe Iran loaded during hiatus, but we'll knock them out. Iran has all new leadership and they're fighting." Just going back to Intel's earnings, CEO sees a strong demand for data center CPUs. Go back to Trump, says Iran may have reloaded during 2-week hiatus. Also, Intel says still need to improve supply of data center chips, way ahead of schedule on foundry improvements. Intel lifts 2026 capex
Daddy?
I don't know what to
Daddy?
fucking
Is that
listen
you?
to.
Is
even
that you?
with last year. They see PC market declining in the second half.
I mean, my gut says, you know, listen to the numbers, which are good.
So back
And then
from
you
the
got
minutes,
Trump
we're expected
speaking.
to hear from what we expect to get SAP's Q1 2026 earnings.
Trump just said Iran has all new
Daddy?
leaderships.
Daddy?
They're fighting.
Is that you? Is that you?
User
Trump says
39, Steven,
we've hit
welcome to the
about
cell, Daddy.
75% of Iran
Daddy,
targets.
chill.
They're all full of
And this
shit, just taking
reiterates
my
what he's
money.
been saying all the time, that they can't have a nuclear weapon. Trump says blockade is 100% effective.
All right, I'm down
So he
1,000.
says blockade is 100% effective and Iran is getting no business. And just reiterates what's been said before, that Iran wants to make a deal. We've been speaking with them. Trump
It
says
would need
we're
to be
giving
soon,
Iran
yes.
a chance to resolve its turmoil.
I just can't get the momentum, guys. I do really well, and then I just fuck up. It's been
Trump
like this
says
for 2 to
Iran
3
is not doing
weeks.
well economically or financially.
You're gonna hold till I hold? Damn, that's a lot of pressure.
Surely expecting earnings from SAP now. So just seeing shares of Intel soaring 17% after second quarter revenue outlook tops estimate.
Trump's talking at the same time. This is very difficult. I'm trying to decipher everything.
Trump on Iran says, we'll see what happens. We have no pressure. Just reiterating what he's said in
Yeah,
Truth Social
yep,
Post
exactly.
earlier on in the day.
We got a soul collector here, along with VWAP. We really need this
Intel
to
says
start
AI
rejecting.
businesses grew double digits year on year. Trump says that we could make a deal with Iran, but we want to make sure it's the best one.
About to go break even.
Also, Intel says double-digit year-on-year growth for data center AI expected to continue. And Trump and Iran says
Everybody and
that
their
we want a
mother
deal
thinks it's
that
going to
never lasts,
27K.
and we'll have the strait opened up. We have total control of the Strait of Hormuz. So just
He's
whilst
just
we're waiting for, so nothing from SAP so far for the earnings.
this guy. He's just
Whilst
talking
we
out his
are,
ass.
so we're seeing AMD and ARM shares following Intel higher, following strong earnings.
I was born like
Tehran
this.
Times just reporting what has been said earlier on in the day, that Iraqi media reporting that loud explosions have been heard
Ethan, it's
inside
hard,
the
dude.
headquarters of anti-Iranian Kurdish parties in areas of Erbil.
I got no emotions. I ain't scared. 982s? Let's go. Let's bleed it back down, baby.
Trump says if there's no deal with Iran, I'll finish it up militarily.
Ooh. Ooh. That was some fucking fighting words right there. The motherfucker fighting words. Guys, hit
Saying
that
we'll
follow
finish up
button.
the rest of Iran targets if there's no deal. Iran is under time pressure, not us.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
Yo, man, it's 224, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Bear sets fear. Yep. But it doesn't care lately. I don't know what the I feel like it's just
Trump says if
fucking.
Iran doesn't move, oil infrastructure will explode.
If Iran doesn't
So
move,
again,
oil
if
infrastructure
Iran
will
doesn't
explode.
move oil infrastructure, it will explode. Iran has a matter of days until that takes place. Our ships are locked and loaded and ready to go. Trump says that the US has better equipment since we started the war. And Iran is coming to us, but they're disorganized. Just reiterating that Iran's problem is that they're very disorganized right now.
You guys are probably gonna think I'm old playing this song. Let's see if this is the right one. Nope. I don't even know if this fucking has it.
And Trump just repeats his anecdote about 8 Iranian women. Those are the ones who Trump says were expected to be executed in Iran, and then he asked the Iranians not to do that and
Daddy?
claimed that the
Daddy?
Iranians
Is
backed
that
off
you?
of it.
Is that
The
you?
Iranians later said that that never came up, or it was never the situation at all. Trump
You think we're
says
going to war?
Americans will pay more for gasoline for a little while.
What's up, 13? I didn't even know he was talking today. Yeah, he just talks randomly.
Trump says
Oh, no,
touting
Rossi,
stock
welcome to the
market
show,
and
Daddy.
saying it's at all-time high
chill.
right now.
I'm hoping we fucking dump. Where the fuck's my damn thing I want? I feel like I gotta look it up on YouTube. Hindsight? Depending on where you're talking about where we entered. Hindsight, like dead ass.
Trump says, I thought oil would hit $200 a barrel.
The only entry that I see here is a long. There's 2 longs.
Trump says that oil is a very different number than anyone thought.
Maybe I'm going against myself. I mean, I only have 2 longs here off of order blocks, which are my criteria bully blocks here. Rejection. Again, comes back down. What does it do? Rejects again. Moons up. You could have trailed this all the way up. I'm just a jerk off. I just been fighting the market a little bit. It's exhausting to hear the news.
Trump
That's what's
says
going
nuclear
on.
weapon strikes worse than oil at $200 per barrel.
So in hindsight, like say I took this short here, I should have been out right here and not have entered at all until it broke out as consolidation, and then look, it starts ripping down. Like, yeah, we caught this bottom, but the rest of it's
Just
been
give
nothing but
context,
chop.
Trump was asked if he's okay if oil goes to $200 a barrel, and then Trump said nuclear weapon strike is worse than oil at $200 a barrel.
That's true too. I mean, he's got a point. $200 a barrel. What's worse, a nuclear war or $200 a barrel? That's what I'm saying. There might be more information that we're not seeing. Like they can't tell us. Maybe Iran dead ass was gonna shoot nukes. We don't know. I was trying to look for this on Spotify, but I don't have it. Oh, this ain't it.
Trump says oil goes up a little bit, and I hate it.
I was trying to look for that one song where it's like, do it again. Do it again. Club exit. How do you listen to this, man? Like me personally, JM? Or Trumpy? I'm just messing with you. I know you're saying about Trump. Just taking too long to play.
Trump says, I don't think Iran conflict will be very long. We don't know who the leader in Iran is. Trump says Iran is delaying it because we don't know who we're talking to. This again says Trump says I don't think Iran conflict will be very long. We don't know who the leader in Iran is, and Iran is delaying it because we don't know who we're talking to. Trump says I wouldn't use nuclear weapons against Iran. So again, when asked if he'd use nuclear weapons against Iran, says no.
Yeah,
Trump
I would
says
say
nuclear
Sunday.
weapons should never be used by anybody.
Mallory, same thing with me, man. Same thing. Every time I size up. The anchor is a good sign. My only issue is that my soul collector hasn't been as efficient that I used to. I mean, we used to make fucking thousands of dollars with my soul collector anchor. It just hasn't been the case lately. $2 ago? Could be 2 days? Yeah, I don't know. You took that dive? Oh my god, what am I listening to, bro? Ah, this is my song. It played on its own. This is how the market is right here.
Trump just reiterates that the UK should open North Sea for oil drilling.
Cold X. I think he did the right thing. Keisha. You want me to blow this shit up, bro? If it dumps through this, we going. Cold. I would normally agree, but recently, just taking that TP has been better. It's just a weird market right now. See, this is a fucking bullish momentum. I'm gonna close it now. All right, I'm gonna go in 8. I need one more. Yeah, I'm getting a sign here, as you said that. Bro, I've been I usually do pretty well.
SAP
I've been
earnings
struggling the
delivered
past 3 weeks.
First quarter non-IFRS
Daddy?
cloud revenue
Daddy?
of
Is that you?
5.96
Is
billion
that
euros.
you?
That's higher than the estimate of beats the estimate
Cold
of
axe.
5.9 billion euros.
Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Non-IFRS revenue
Daddy?
of
Is that you? Is
9.56
that
billion
you?
euros, beaten on the estimate of 9.53 billion euros. And cloud software revenue of 8.55 billion euros, beaten on the estimate of
I'm assuming
8.47 billion euros.
you're the same
That's again SAP Q1 earnings.
as Cold Axe.
Now the White House press conference looks to be ending as the reporters are rushed out.
I could fucking walk away right now. But I'm not! Because I'm gangster! I know, right? Mallory, am I giving you heart palpitations?
Forex between 25.8 to 26.
You're so right, though. You're so right. I'm going to go long. I'm going to hold this long a little bit. Oh,
I see that concludes Trump's comments then.
Uh-oh, he's done. He's done. Do I close it? Fuck it. We're right back. We're right back to where we started. Oh, my God. I'm going to do 2. I'll do 2 long. So, like, when my shit works, it works, right? It's just, dude, in a regular market, we would have killed this. We would have killed this. But, you know how things goes. Oh, you trade a live account? We trade prop firms around here. Yeah, I guess it was a good one to take out, because I would have been still fucking hurting. Oh, yeah, I can't wait for this. You know what's going to be a problem, though, Daily? As soon as the war's over, it's going to be Rip City. And that's going to be hard to trade still. The long signals are showing good now, yes. They've been showing good all day, except for this. Right? That was it. This is where it started to turn sour. It's got to close above this or else it's going to fall here. So be careful.
SAP ADRS rising 11% after Q1 results.
What song? This
Still
song?
see 2026 cloud revenue between 25.8 to 26.2 billion euros.
So if you trust those you lost on
Israel
and one
military
on the
says
others,
siren
we
sound
would need
area
along those
shut
more
down.
comfortably.
And details on
In theory, yes. So the whole game changes when this isn't happening. So say like majority of the day was long, you could start to hit those long signals. But look at the mess that we had here though. Like this is a mess. Right? This is a mess. So things change. Things change. In a regular market, I'm crushing this. I am not crushing this right now because it's just too indecisive. This thing does not know what it wants to do. This thing wants to rip to the moon because Trump is talking about, you know, basically running the world in computer chips. And then you got 10 minutes later, Hamas is dumping mines in the water. So which one is it? That's the problem. Yeah, I can't. I can barely keep my profit daily. You're right, but I was easily doing 10K days. But I sized down. You know, I sized down a lot, and I feel like it was the best thing to do. JD's girl. But what is it? March and April are usually the two worst performing months ever. So this isn't really. If you go back in history, these 2 months are hell, and we're literally in the same months right now. So yeah, I wish it was. I wish I could show everybody what I can do daily all the time, but it happens. All right, we're gonna take one out, and now we're going to trail one. I can fucking put in a. See, like now the talks are done, and what's happening? I'm reading the market. Very simple. So in reality, if you can just dodge, he can't dodge the news, obviously. How often can you pay out an Apex? Every 5 days. Can you go back to 27K? Yeah, but it could. We're after 4 o'clock. It's almost 4:30. So saying that could very well be, you know, not right. Is there a limit? I think you can have up to 6 payouts per the count, and then that's it. You squashed. You got to start over. Damn, Johnny. See, my stop loss is too close here. I might get wicked out. That's the problem with these markets. One way, ho. How do the 6 payouts work? What do you mean? You make 5 days of $250. Say the 50. Oh, see, look, you see how this is denying? I'm closing. So that was a short indication for me. But I don't want to chase this. Like, you know what happens when I've been chasing lately. Yeah, I know. If I could just if I can have like a better entry, and then I don't know.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you?
I
Is that
ain't
you?
going nowhere. No, just joking. Let's see if we can get one more entry here. The problem is it already hit this bully block area. So you got to scalp in this. All right, we're out. How'd I know you say that just like that? What do you mean?
All right, long. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
So you need $250, 5 days. It could be separate days, not in a row. And then I believe you need
Daddy?
over $2,500,
Daddy, is
and
that
then you
you?
can
Is
request
that you?
anything over that. I'm not fucking going nowhere. I'm not fucking leaving. I'm not fucking leaving. You doing signals? No, I don't do signals. I teach. Teach a man to fish. He eats for life. You understand? I don't really teach. We trade. We bullshit together. I don't know if I teach. You guys would have to answer that. When you guys ask me questions, I give my opinion and my honest view.
Sean, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Put on Static by Steve Lacy. You preach? True. More say! Yeah, I feel like I just, you learn as I talk, right? I do need to, like, figure out how to do, like, a free course. I just suck balls at... I'm not good at it. Don't put me to sleep now, Johnny. I wish I had a better structure to give you guys, though. What the hell is this, bro? Is this drugs? Oh, I'm sorry, TikTok. I don't know what I had on. He says, I don't know. Low key is a banger, though.
Daddy? Daddy, is that you? Is that you?
Yeah! Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Just chill, daddy.
Daddy, chill.
I do hope this market, like, starts adjusting, though, because this has been rough. And then every time I go to hop on at night, the price action dies. It rips, and I go to get on, and it's dead. So I nope.
Israel military says several launches crossed from Lebanon towards Israel intercepted.
From what? So is that not a ceasefire break? Is that not a ceasefire break? I like night cause it's more steady, but it barely been moving lately. Dude, it's been ripping and then chilling. Ripping, then chilling. I wouldn't touch this, Johnny. 430. Unless there's crazy news. $10K likes. Thank you so much. But look, it's ripping up. Did you take it? I still wouldn't take it though. $20. $20. $20. $20. $20. There you go. Okay, the shorts you struggled, but imagine you took this short. Bang. Bang. So it's like pick your poison, you know what I mean? Pick your poison. Pick your poison, girl. Only if you're in at that high. So I can usually get in on those, Johnny, but recently I've been such a pansy, and then the ones that I do get in, they will rip up. And it's driving me crazy cuckoo, you know? Yeah, a lot of fails. So it's like pick your poison. Pick your poison. Me too, Johnny. I mean, screw it, right? Like as soon as the market goes back to a more normal, not normal. I love the volume, right? I do love this. I hate when there's no sense of direction because volume is great. Watch me in a market when it has just a little bit of follow through. All I need is a little bit of fucking follow through. And you'll see what Daddy can do. But it's not there. It's just not there. Yeah, I need structure to the volatility. There you go. That's a good answer. MacDill, I want to do nothing. Hey, my TikTok has been so much better lately, right? With the how many people are in the room. The only thing I changed was my CPU on my computer, and that was about it. Maybe it was punishing me for the lag. Because I'm consistently having like 60 plus people every day. The quality's better too? Good. Yeah, I think dude, I have so much. I literally have so much going on right now on my computer. But I bought like a $500 chip called a Ryzen 9, and that thing's a beast. A beast. And then I put a nice liquid cooler in there to keep it cold. We doing all right. We doing all right. All right, I think it's time to wrap it up. There's no more news. And again, if the volume goes on at nighttime, I'll hop on.
Saying you fired rockets over Israel's shuttle in response to Israel violated ceasefire targeting town in southern Lebanon.
Is that not bearish? That's an act of war, no? You know, we fall on gunfire at a parade, but we're not falling on rockets flying towards Israel. I don't get it. I don't get it. Some gold, Asia. Has it been good lately, Mallory? I could trade gold tonight. My problem is that I'm usually done with everything at like 8 p.m. Like, with life. And then I can hop on. You know, I gotta make sure I work out, eat with the family. But that was just bearish as shit. They're literally shooting rockets at each other. Weird. Alright, I'll let you guys know in Discord if I do hop on. If not, you boys and girls have a beautiful night. Let me wrap this up. The two prop firms that I use is Apex and Lucid. For the latest and greatest mother effing discounts, use code BULLY, all caps, BULLY. When I get a lot of money for the affiliates, I give back to the community. Unfortunately, Lucid kind of denied my last request. I do not know why. I just don't know why. I haven't been able to get in touch with anybody to ask either. And I feel like you're gonna just tell me like you're bitching because you didn't get free accounts. I don't know. But we'll see. Other than that, free Discord in the bio. I will be live tomorrow morning. No matter what. And then what else? Oh, if you want access to my indicators, yes, it's been rough for this market. Access to my indicators, though, VIP section in the Discord. There's a 30-day free trial. After the 30-day free trial, it is $1 a day, 30 for the month. Other than that,
Bully Bears is out. Doses. Hit that mother effing follow button too.
Daddy, chill.
later, Morrissey.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.